Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot AI with HubSpot Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To install HubSpot AI, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Marketplace icon in the top right corner and click on it. In the Marketplace, select the App Marketplace option. Use the search bar to type in HubSpot AI and hit Enter. From the search results, locate the HubSpot AI app. Click on the app to view more details about its features. To install, click the Install App button. You may be prompted to grant the app certain permissions. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. The installation process will begin, and you may see a loading screen. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Now, navigate back to your dashboard. Look for the AI section in the main menu. Click on it to explore the features available in HubSpot AI. You may want to customize AI settings according to your preferences. Take some time to explore the tutorial resources provided within the app. To start using HubSpot AI, try creating a sample project or request. Familiarize yourself with the tools and features available for enhanced productivity. Now you're all set to leverage HubSpot AI for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.